Hi everyone, how's it going? This is going to be our second video on our random calculus series, and what we're going to do is we're going to derive the area of an ellipse very quickly. So begin just by drawing a picture. So our ellipse, say, looks like this. It's a very poor drawing, but you get the idea. Our major axis is here along the x-axis. So this equation of this ellipse would be x squared over a squared plus y squared over b squared equals 1. And with a little bit of algebra and just by focusing in on the top half of this ellipse, we can just integrate and find out this shaded area, multiply it by 2, and because this ellipse are symmetric, it will give us the area of the entire ellipse. So let me tell you what I mean more in particular. So we're going to figure out the equation of this upper curve, and that's going to turn out to be y is b over a times the square root of a squared minus x squared. So that's just some algebra to get you there. So this upper curve right here of this ellipse is this. So now just note that what we're going to do now is we're going to integrate that function from negative a to a. B over a is a constant, I'll pull that out. And also don't forget that we're going to multiply by 2 because we're just finding the area of the top half. Alright, and now note that this will just be a squared minus x squared dx. Awesome. Now let's think about what this integral represents. This is just a semicircle with a radius of a. That's what this represents, this area. This is the area of a semicircle with a radius of a. So just recall that a semicircle will be half of a circle, so it's 1/2 pi r squared, but really it's 1/2 pi a squared in our case because a is the radius. So we get 2b over a times 1/2 times pi times a squared, which when you simplify you get the 2's canceling and one of the a's cancels and you get pi a b. And just as a note, this generalizes circles as well, since that's just the case when a equals b, and then you get, so that's your radius, and then you get pi r squared. So anyway, that's it for this video. I want it to be a quick one, just to derive the area of an ellipse from scratch, just using really just using some basic geometry and some calculus, and it's nothing too crazy. So that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it.